Introduction. Manvi and her family are sitting in their garden. She watches her brother put dry leaves and some pebbles in a bucket of water. She saw that leaves floated on water while the pebbles sank at the bottom of the bucket. Manvi was curious to learn why some things float while others sink in water. In this lesson, you will learn the properties of water. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to list out things that float or sink in water, explain the cause for float or sink in water, identify items that are soluble and insoluble in water, discuss evaporation. Items that float or sink: a puffed puri, cap of plastic bottle, a football, a piece of thermocol, wax, wood, an empty plastic bottle floats in water, an iron nail, steel spoon, metal key, coin, and stones are some items that sink in water. Reason for float or sink. You must have seen that some substances float on water while others sink. Do you know the reason? When water displaced by the substance is greater than its weight, the substance floats on water, otherwise it sinks. Other examples. The iron nail sinks in the water, but the katori made of steel floats. This happens because the weight of water displaced by the iron was less than it, but the weight of water displaced by the katori was more than it. Similarly, the aluminum foil floats on water when it is spread out. When pressed tightly into a ball, it sinks. Soluble and insoluble substances. When you add substances like salt, sugar, or milk powder in water, it completely dissolves in water. These are known as soluble substances. Other substances like chalk powder, soil, or oil do not dissolve in water and are known as insoluble substances. Increasing solubility. If you have some sugar and want to dissolve quickly, you can crush the sugar to make powder of it. Then after adding it to water, the mixture should be stirred thoroughly. The mixture could also be heated over the flame to dissolve the sugar quickly. Evaporation. When you keep wet cloth in sun, it dries faster than the same wet cloth kept under shade. Eatables like mango jelly, like aam papad, buddies and potato chips are made by keeping in the sun. Making of salt. The common salt is also made by evaporating seawater. The salt obtained is then filtered to get pure salt that can be used. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Substances either float or sink in water. When water displaced by the substance is greater than its weight, the substance floats on water, otherwise it sinks. Substances are either soluble in water or insoluble in water. Common salt is also made by evaporating seawater.